Hi guys, it's Annie. I have a quick video for you today. I didn't get to the one on Friday and I'm sorry. My internet service was terrible this weekend. Um, okay, this week's video, let's talk about the group. When I started this group, I didn't mean for it to be a sharing group. I have no problem with us sharing our posts, but I think that January kind of overwhelmed a lot of people. I got a lot of messages from you guys saying that it was just too much sharing. And I agree. It was a big time suck for me for January. So with that said, here's what we're going to do. Monday morning, I'm going to put a thread up. You'll see it. I've already got it scheduled to go. And it explains to you guys that on Mondays, we're going to share 2 posts. Each one of us can share 2 posts. Once you share them, I want you to tell us if you want us to pin it, share it on Facebook or Twitter, write a comment, or if you just need feedback on it, but only those 2 posts. That thread will stay up for the entire week, and I'll take commenting down on Fridays. That gives you all 5 days to get your 2 posts up and share everybody's. So there will be no more Wednesday Pinterest, no more Friday commenting. Now, if you guys, after this week, feel that you would like to share a little more than that, or that you feel it didn't work for you, please let me know and we'll figure something out. But for right now, I'm trying to solve the 500 sharing posts. Stone Family Farmstead has a really good homesteading website that I know she's going to share some Facebook posts and things too. So you might want to check her out. It's Stone Family Farmstead on Facebook. It's a group. It's run by Christy, which is in our group here. And it's a pretty active group, so you can probably share more posts in there. I also want you guys to know that I appreciate that you guys have been so supportive and understanding with me since I've been back from Pittsburgh. Last year was very difficult for me. I had a lot of things happen, and I don't think I had a chance to really deal with any of them until I got back this year. Which, without going through the whole thing, I just want you to know that January was very rough for me. I had a hard time keeping up with everything. I actually dropped out of the Self-Reliance Challenge. I wasn't sending newsletters out. I had a really rough month, and I learned that life is hard and it has challenges, and we all plan and we all make these great goals of things we want to do, but things do happen in life, and sometimes when those things happen, we have to change and we have to pivot and we have to figure out what works best for us. So I thank you all for being so supportive. You guys were great. Between pneumonia, my dad's passing a year ago, and just the changes and all the busyness of January, I'm glad we're in February. I'm glad that month is over. Do y'all agree? Anyhow, you guys are great. All the new members, welcome to our group. I'm Annie. I'm one of the administrators, and I'm really glad you guys are here. We're still working on things. We're still trying to figure stuff out. But all in all, this group is for blogging. It's for all of us to help each other with blogging, to grow as bloggers. And that's what I really want to concentrate on from here on out. I do have scheduled more videos for you guys, and February is going to be a lot different. I'll be way more active in the group than I was in January, but to be honest with you, I just couldn't squeeze it in January. I've got additions being built on my tiny home, and I have 60 animals on my homestead. I have rescued dogs, I had puppies, I had pigs born. It was just a busy month. So this month will be different. I do have some really cool stuff I'm going to share with you, but I want you guys to know that I want you to be active. We have members in our group, and we have such wonderfully engaged members. But there are some of you that signed up that have never contributed, never said anything, never shared anything. And I love that you're here, and I hope that you're learning. But if you're not going to contribute and be a part of things, you might want to consider not being part of the group. I get being busy. And, maybe you contributed for a while and things came up. That's fine. But if you've never, ever posted, shared, or commented, if you've never, ever been a part, it's probably not the right group for you. And for those of you that are engaged, I'm going to make things easier. I'm going to start tagging people, but I am only going to tag people that are active. So if you want to be involved and you want to catch what's coming out, let me know. Because if I don't see your name on the active list, then I definitely am not going to tag you. I can only tag up to 50 people as it is, and our group is bigger than that, and it grows by 4 or 5, it seems, every day. So I do thank you for all your support. I hope that everybody has a wonderful, wonderful month this month. Let me know how the sharing thread works. You'll see the share thread go up tomorrow morning. I have it posted for, I think, 7 a.m. I will save it to be a announcement so that it stays on the top. And for everybody, just a couple of reminders too while I'm thinking about it. In the sidebar of the Facebook blogging group, if you look into the left, there's a section called units. And in those units is where I'm going to be adding everything that we've been learning, hints, tricks, tips. And you are all more than welcome to contribute to it. If you have a problem, let Kathy or I know, Kathy Rogers or myself, and I'll be glad to add it in there. So if you guys come across stuff that is shared that can help other people in the group, please by all means go ahead and do it. You are all welcome to start a thread yourselves too. You know, if you need help with something or you're trying to figure out the answer to something, by all means post it. That's what we're there for. We're a group, and let's act as a group. This is not my group. This is our group. So, okay, with that said, it is Sunday. It is early in the morning. I have workers going to be crawling all over my house in a few minutes. I don't want to be making a video with all these people crawling all over the place. So I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to try to do some Facebook Lives this week. If you guys are interested, let me know. I guess it notifies you or something. I don't know. I've never done them before, but I'm going to try. In the meantime, you have any comments or suggestions or any good news, anything you want to share, let me know. I'm open. Facebook Messenger, you can get me all the time. All right, guys, I hope you have a great week, okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.